And I'm Emo Dixie.
And I'm Granny.
Hey, Granny, turn the air conditioner on.
Okay.
Burning up over here.
Wait just a minute. We have got a Hillbilly air conditioner. She's so hot, she keeps me burning up all the time. So I called my granddaughter and asked her if she had a fan, an extra fan, because it really, really was hot in here. And I had company from Pennsylvania, and I didn't like for them to sit where it was so hot, because it was like over 100 in our house, because we didn't have no air conditioning. We had fans a going. Because you go to Pennsylvania, even in the summertime, you dress for winter, because they keep their house so cold. And Mandy said, yes, she had a fan, so she brought me a fan that night about 10 o'clock. But her husband, Daniel, he sent us an air conditioner, a real good air conditioner. And what you do, you take your ice and you pour it down in the air conditioner. And you see you got this little hole right here. You put your lid on it, and you set your fan down in it, and plug it up, and it blows that ice, and it comes out that hole right there your hair does. So that way I can keep Cindy real good and cool.
And you know what? It actually works. It keeps my feet cool anyway, but it really does work.
And Alton called one day, and he said, it is so hot down here, I cannot stand it. And I said, well, son, do you want me to have my new air conditioner shipped to you so you can use our famous Hillbilly air conditioner? And it does work.
Hi, Aunt Cindy here. I got a few tomatoes in the sink, and today Granny and I are going to make salsa. So I'm going to get these tomatoes peeled and get them in my pot. Hope I at least got 10 cups to get a good start. And I'll be back with you. Okay, I have my tomatoes in my pot, and I have cut me some peppers and some onions, and I'm going to chop them in my food chopper. This little chopper is my best friend. I use it all the time. Now this calls for 10 hot peppers, but I'm only using 5 because I do not like my stuff so hot that I breathe fire or I have to dip my honey in the creek to cool it off.
We put 4 onions chopped into the salsa. I put a tablespoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of salt, and a tablespoon of paprika. And we're going to turn it on kind of high till we get it started good. And then I'll turn it down on medium and let it cook slow. All right, our salsa has cooked on low for 3 hours, and I have added 1 small can of tomato paste in with it to get it a little bit thicker. And now we're going to put it in our jars. They've already been in here. The kids haven't wanted to eat it right now, but they gotta wait. I'm just now putting it in the jars for this winter when it gets cold. They know that's what they get for Christmas.
Let's pull the bring us in here to mix.
Put my lids, got them in my jar and put my lids on them. This one wasn't very big, but I'll eat it. I got 5 quarts and a little half a pint. Well, there was 7 of us kids. There was 5 of us girls and 2 boys. We went to Rome Mountain, was going to set up and sell some stuff, and this man pulled in and give us a sad luck story. His wife was sick, and he had that stuff in his trunk, and he had to get rid of it. So we bought it for $10. Why, everything we bought was about 3-year-old. I told her, I said, how in the world do we have stupid on top of our forehead? Everywhere we go, everybody thinks we're stupid.
Lord have mercy. The kids was rested even. Oh, I thought of that.
We always had the best time. We'd go to craft shows. We'd go to the beach. Had a craft show at the beach the first week of December. But me and her would make it where we'd go down where we'd have to get to stay 7 days. And we'd stay out in an aunt's trailer. Well, Alton, he'd take a big fancy chair down there for Trula to sit on. And I told her, I said, how are you so popular? You get a chair to sit in, and I have to lay on this old hard couch. But me and her would leave. I'd say, let's leave at 7 o'clock or 7:30 when I drop Anna off at school. So we don't have to go in and have a flashlight to get in the trailer. Well, we left at 7:30, and we always had to stop at Walmart and get a flashlight because we stopped everywhere going down. But we've always, Teresa and I guess I miss them all so much because we was really close.
What are you doing?
What do you think of that salsa?
It's really good. It's warm. I like it warm. I didn't know you could eat it warm like that, but it's good.
Very good. Hey, Forrest here again, and I am beat. I've been working all day long, like many of you guys out there have, and there's nothing better than to come home to something really good, delicious to eat. So here we have some of Granny's homemade salsa with some garden fresh tomatoes and other vegetables. And so got some cheesy chips here. I'm gonna try it out. It's very good. First of all, if you've had a fresh salsa versus store-bought salsa, you immediately know the difference. It tastes way fresher. And also, this has a little bit of sweet and a little bit of heat. And again, very delicious. I'll probably eat about half this jar right now and maybe the other half the next time. But thank you, Granny. You guys enjoy.